Well, students, topic of the video is integration by limit of sum or definite integration by limit of sum. Integration 1 to 2 e to the power x dx. Here a equals to 1, b equals to 2 and fx equals to e to the power x. So f of a plus rh equals to f of 1 plus rh equal to e to the power 1 plus rh equals to e to the power 1 into e to the power rh, and nh equals to b minus a, that implies nh equals to 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Therefore 1 to 2 e to the power x dx equals to limit h tends to 0 h summation r equals to 1 to n f of a plus rh. In that case we can write r equals 0 to n minus 1. Any one of them you can use. So limit h tends to 0 h summation r equal to 1 to n e to the power 1 into e to the power rh. Now e into limit h tends to 0 h e to the power 1 into h e to the power 2 into h e to the power 3 into h plus dot dot e to the power n into h e into limit h tends to 0. This is a GP series whose first term is e to the power h and common ratio is e to the power h. So by GP formula of GP is a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. This one is sum of n terms of a GP. So by using this formula, h into, here a is e to the power h, so e to the power h, r is equal to the power h, so e to the power h whole to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1, so e to the power h minus 1. Therefore e into limit h tends to 0 e to the power nh minus 1 into e to the power h e to the power h minus 1 by h. So e into limit h tends to 0 e to the power nh, here nh equals to 1, so nh is replaced by 1, so e to the power 1 minus 1 into e to the power h by e to the power h minus 1 by h. So e into limit h tends to 0 e minus 1 into e to the power h by limit h tends to 0 e to the power h minus 1 by h. Now formula of this one is only 1, and by putting h equal to 0 e to the power 0, so e into e minus 1, so this one is e square minus e. In the next video we discuss few more sums on this topic.